and pushing it underground where they plan on living. How do people think they plan on living and growing stuff underground without carbon dioxide? Well, this is how.
Earth Day is Monday, and this morning we're looking at potential solutions to the climate crisis. New government data out this month shows that planet-warming greenhouse gas emissions continue to climb. The Earth's atmosphere now contains more carbon dioxide than it has at any point in at least 4.3 million years. Senior national and environmental correspondent Ben Tracy recently met up with former Microsoft CEO Bill Gates, who's helping fund innovative climate technologies. Ben with us, a rare visit in studio. Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, guys. To avoid the worst impacts of climate change, scientists say we need to bring those planet-warming emissions down to zero and do it by the middle of this century. Now, Bill Gates doesn't think that's going to happen by all of us suddenly giving up airplane flights or our cars or becoming vegetarians. He thinks we need to leverage technology and innovation to rapidly lower emissions.
One of those big plants will be built here on the largest cattle ranch in Texas. It will be a direct air capture facility, which sucks in planet-warming carbon dioxide and buries it underground.
This term, direct air capture, means that they're just pulling it out of the air.
This facility in Iceland is currently the world's largest operating plant, removing about 4,000 tons a year, not even a drop in the CO2 bucket. But a new one being built in West Texas called Stratos is expected to remove 500,000 tons per year.
This is really the hub of CO2 enhanced oil recovery.
And the one here on the ranch could eventually capture 1 million tons. They are being developed by oil and gas giant Occidental, which plans to build 100 of them with the help of federal tax credits.
Carbon capture won't solve the entire problem. It's part of our arsenal of tools.
Gates says the oil and gas industry can be part of the solution if they use their expertise to reduce emissions. He personally pays carbon capture companies $9 million a year to offset his own pollution, a perk of being one of the richest people on the planet.
I have a plane, I have a huge carbon footprint.
He knows most people can't afford to do that, which is why he believes technology and American innovation is the key to combating the climate crisis.
Some of these things will not succeed, and that's why it's great to have multiple technologies that are showing promise.
This process is also relatively inexpensive.
One thing does not solve the problem here, because I was saying, what do you do with that carbon underneath? So then you're going to produce more oil, but that's part of the problem here.
Yeah, so some of the technology will be used to sequester carbon forever. It goes into rock formations in the ground. It can never heat the planet again. That's good. If you're going to use it to pump more oil, that's very questionable because you're not really solving the problem because those emissions will get burned out of an airplane or a tailpipe at some point.
It's a combination of things. It's relying on the technology to adapt to it, which I think we sometimes underestimate how we can fix it with new technology, but also reducing emissions now.
Yeah, none of these things are silver bullets. We need a lot of different things. Al Gore once said to us, it's silver buckshot. It's not a silver bullet. So it's going to take a lot of different technologies to figure out.
Others might seize on SAI
So, Bill, I mean, it's incredible.